throw this on some 4Gs. What you guys think? Camera on 4Gs. Bulletproof doors. and windows. That's Pneumatic in a Humvee. Army. Man. What's up, YouTube? It's Pneumatic back at it with another video. Going to Toys for Tots at Copolla Customs in Brantford, Connecticut. They're the ones that did the wrap on my GTR. Check out my wrap videos. I got a few of them on there. Beautiful wrap, Avery Dennison wrap. And here are some toys we got for the kids. You know, it's all about the kids. You know, the holidays for the kids. All right, I'll check back in with you when we get to Copolla's.
I had to add a few books to offset the weight. Feeling like amigo running all these out of plate. I was busting juggers up the drive-thru driveway. That was back when Jay had the rig on Fridays. All these dead presents, yes, I got a deadline. Make sure we will wax in front of for the bedtime. I'm in the neighborhood where they use a red line. Hit a twin turbo screaming, I'm like the red line. Walk a tie whooping all white with red wine. Look at how me, I'm going, bitch, I'm doing fine. Doesn't bullet, doesn't cops, and doesn't fair time. Just cause these people want me on the million.
Stars in the roof. Oh, this is clean. Definitely not. Wow. Sitting on those 4Gs, 24-inch 4Gs.
And then there's one right below the gas.
That is nuts. Oh, so
Nasty, right?
yeah. So the top is like a mat?
So yeah, we wrapped literally from the window trim up is all satin black.
Yeah.
Then we did the window trim in gloss black.
Yeah.
With the tints, and then we did gloss black handles, the side emblems, smoke the lights, and then the whole grill and everything is actually all separate. If you look.
Oh, look at that, guys.
I don't even want to touch it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so the grill, everything is separate too. Like each one of these slots are all separately wrapped, so it's 100% reversible.
Wow.
Nothing's painted, yeah.
Oh,
so that's
man.
all gloss black. We did the bottom pieces.
And it blends in so nice.
Yep. It's just the contrast, you know.
Yeah,
we did the gloss black strip.
Yeah.
Yeah. Spirit of Ecstasy, you know, the base.
Wow. That's
So
dope.
the last thing that we got to do is we're just gonna do PPF on the front bumper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely worked it on this car.
Yeah, and then around the back side, it's pretty much the same exact thing.
Yeah.
From here up, obviously, and then we just broke it up with a little bit of gloss black.
Oh,
Gloss
nice.
black, exhaust tips, the pockets around the tail lights.
How do you do the exhaust tips?
Powder coat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we had to pull them all apart. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
This came out good.
Yeah.
It looks real aggressive.
Yeah, it does.
I definitely would rock this.
Yeah, oh yeah.
This is big boy.
Yep.
Got a Ferrari in the background.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. This is for you and the kids.
Yeah, this is dope. Got the room. Yep. Family car, guys. Oh, man.
You don't see them.
Yeah. That is awesome.
It's got a lot of room for what it is, you know. It's not,
yeah.
No, it's not an SUV, but
yeah.
It's got a lot of room in the back.
Definitely. More than a GTR, I would say.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely more room than a GTR.
Yep.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, it's cool.
I always like these. I heard they sound good too, right?
Oh yeah, it's a V12, yep.
Oh yeah. Yep. They sound killer with exhaust. Huh?
This is a 13.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
No way. They look so modern, man.
Yeah, it's in good shape.
Yeah. That's a big boy.
Yeah.
But that horse.
Some people like them, some people don't like them.
I would rock one.
Oh, I would absolutely.
Yeah, I like them with the exhaust. They sound like a Indy car.
Oh yeah.
I'll definitely rock one of these.
Yeah,
Fish bowling too. That interior is nasty.
Yeah, I know. That's the whole reason. I do like it with no tints on it.
Yeah.
It's got the full glass roof.
Oh no way. Oh, I can see it now.
Yep.
Oh man. A lot of money.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we got the icon right here. Yeah, guys already know this one. V8 by turbo. Yeah, man.
I gotta do a handful of links to it.
Yeah, oh, I see the truck outside.
Oh yeah.
Tiffany, right?
Tiffany.
I like it.
Yeah, that color's insane.
Yeah, no, that came out real nice.
Yeah, it came out all together, like, cause we, you know, obviously there was some chrome stuff and this and that, like picking and choosing, and then powder coat. Everything came together really well.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks really badass. It's doing very well. So.
Yeah, that's an awesome truck.
Yeah.
Whoever winning that, man, is gonna be happy.
Yeah,
man.
I'll be jealous too.
Yeah.
That's my favorite one. Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely. I'm a blue guy, so.
Yeah.
That's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
Look at those seats, man.
There's one where it's like, it's an actual
This is
Cool, right?
nice.
I've never seen it. In the forward, got buildings and stuff.
Yeah. Then this is you know, this is like fully loaded too. Like they all of them come with that rolls package. If you look up too, it's got the skylight. Yeah. From the bottom. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, there's something like that to us now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is where it, you know, this is the OG of it. Yep, 24s. They fit good too. I put them on and I was like, damn, these are gonna rub, these are gonna go crazy. Went right on.
that is super nice. Oh man.
Yeah, I see right.
Definitely, I'll rock with that.
Yeah, so yeah, like this is it's a satin finish. So
This whole car is PPF. The entire car has the PPF film protection on it. Pretty nice. Hey, how you doing? How's it going? All right. Car looking good. Yeah, doing some video.
At least I look presentable today.
Yeah, very sharp.
I'm usually dirty.
Yeah, your car came out awesome, man.
Yeah, not done yet, but
okay.
it's still two things.
Yeah.
But the outside is mostly done.
Oh, okay. It looks good. You can't even tell.
No, it's, yeah.
Nuts.
They did a great job on it.
Nuts. Awesome.
Just the
man.
interior, you know, it's got to get ceramic. And,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Fully protected.
yeah, absolutely.
I like that car, man.
Yeah. I'll get to the mods when it's done.
Yeah, definitely. I want to see that. That's gonna be an epic 1-of-1.
Yeah.
1-of-1.
But admiring the Humvee.
Yeah.
Yeah, she ain't pretty, but
This is awesome. Okay. Awesome. What?
You want to start it? Go ahead.
Those doors
are no keys.
Those
doors are head start.
Oh yeah! Wow.
Yeah.
Bulletproof.
It's right there.
Oh no way!
Yeah.
Wow, this is nuts. This is crazy.
Dramatic cars, baby.
Wow. So what year is this?
So this actually has 200 miles on it.
No way.
Yeah, so it's probably an older year. Probably like a 2010.
Oh wow.
It has 200 miles on it.
No way. Only 200 miles on
Yeah,
it.
they don't really go anywhere. This one doesn't.
So this is bulletproof? Or
Yeah.
yo, it's heavy. Yo, this is a heavy door. Good grief. Yes. Oh, that's how you serve it. Sounds good. Okay, that's the start button. So, yeah, so no pizza start?
There's nothing to go through this.
Wow. See, I didn't know this. Wow. That's awesome. This thing is awesome. So what, this is where the shooter will be? Or what is, wow. This is awesome. Ready for war. I never seen something like this in person, only in like movies. Yeah, not comes up. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. This thing's awesome. Got the BF Good wrenches on here. Humvee. Real military coming through. Like this. Oh. Definitely nice.
I know it's like a little bit, but I don't work on it all the time. They're so like,
Wow. 15.5 this thing weighs. Bulletproof doors. and windows. That's crazy. That's a take. Yeah. That's a take. Oh boy. Oh, this is dope. Pneumatic in a Humvee. Army. Yeah. Wow, feels good. Yeah, it's not that bad. You can see.
It's not bad till it's raining and
Yeah.
it's plastic.
So, this is Tiffany. Copolla Customs did a wrap. This is for Geo. Very nice truck. I like this 2500 heavy duty. It's the Cummins turbo diesel. Yo, that's so squeaky. So clean. Like, I'll definitely rock with something like this. These tires look nice too. 24-inch wheels. They're like a brush. That brush look, which is, that's in. Love the little chrome accents. This Tiffany is just hitting, and it's raining out, it's dark, but you guys can see it still looks bright, you know. Looks like it's the mega cab. Has the extra, I mean, this is a dream truck. I mean, this is a 6-figure truck, you know, but definitely would like to have one of these in the future. So Tom Copolla from Copolla Customs did the whole wrap. Awesome. Never seen a truck wrap like this, or a car. This color is sick. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You like the color? You like the truck? Rocking with it? Big ram. Ram Reezy. This too. Throw this on some 4Gs. What do you guys think? Camera on 4Gs. Shooter. Doors up. Gotta respect it. Lambo doors. Evo.
Put my wrist on the window and start traffic. Remember them days we was trapping in trenches. Yeah, shit round with hatches. Put my elbow on the rim like I'm Vince Carter. Yeah, elbows in plastic. Yeah, mama thought I was a goner. Yeah, I was just working on the clip. Yeah, back in up front like a wheelie. Came a long way from.